What's going on, Rico gang? Welcome to another NFT education video where we look over projects and try to learn more about NFTs. All right, so today we got one of my favorite kinds of NFTs. This is one of those play to earn, one of those that's gonna have value because of its earning potential, and that's Baller Bears NFT. All right, so we're gonna look over their site and then we're gonna talk about what we think about this project. All right, now Baller Bears right now off the top of my head has great artwork. I'm always, once again, the designer in me is always blown away by great artwork. So far so good. All right, so mint. The Baller Bear early bird pre-sale will take place on December 8th and our main pre-sale is on December 13th. Today is the 10th. All right, so we good. If you want a chance at getting whitelisted, join our Discord server. Otherwise, our public sale is December 15th. All right, but let's talk a little bit more about the project. All right, here we go. About Baller Bears is a collection of 4,444 NFTs hosted on the Ethereum blockchain. The Baller Bears community is built off the backbone of power and freedom. Using our stunning wits, we have found a way to yield precious honey token through staking your NFT. These honey tokens can be swapped for Ethereum. There you go. There goes the earning potential. This is an NFT that can ultimately earn more money and act as our digital currency, which is fueled by our second market royalties. All right, together we are the Bear family. The Bears were founded by a team of truly passionate artists and marketers who see Baller Bears potential as one of the most prevalent NFTs of our generation. Let us join together and make bears great again and leave the apes back at the zoo. Okay, that's pretty dope. So if you're unhip to what that even means, everybody's doing the whole ape thing right now. So for them to do a bear, that's pretty dope. Honey tokens. All right, stake your Baller Bears to start earning honey, a sweet reward for your hard work. Swap your honey for Ethereum in our liquidity pool. It doesn't get much better than that. Mint. Use extra honey to mint future bear NFTs. The more bears, the merrier, meaning probably the more bears you earn. All right, now my favorite part. Let's talk about the roadmap. All right, so the roadmap. Stage 1, pre-mint launch, community building using organic marketing tactics to spread the word about the Baller Bears project. Social media marketing, we will be implementing guerrilla marketing tactics to facilitate the process of building the Bear Army. Early bird pre-sale, December 8th. All funds from pre-sale will be deployed on marketing for preparation on official mint. Extremely limited quantity of NFTs, 4,444, just to keep the project competitive. I like that. You see those big projects that have 10,000. This one is sort of taking a book out of Michael Jordan's page where you make only a limited amount. So the value, of course, is rose, and then there's just more demand and value. Okay, stage 2 mint, honey token announcement, honey ecosystem being developed. 30 plus Ethereum reserved for partnerships, hires, and marketing campaigns. That's a lot of money, by the way. 30 Ethereum that's 118,000. So that's a lot, okay? Hire full-time marketing team, mass omni-channel marketing utilizing TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, okay? All right, so stage 3, the Bears reign, all right? 14 days after mint, the honey platform details announced. 7 days after mint, they start reinvesting royalties into bringing more hype into the already sold out project. Honey token system rolls out. Upgrades will be available to be redeemed. Continue social media dominance and getting high net worth individuals to join the bear community. All right, so all it's gonna take is really one person. Like if you've seen the Lazy Ape collection, I always use Lil Baby and stuff as an example, but just when somebody like that buys into a project, then of course the value of the project goes up. Then stage 4, expand the honey ecosystem, grow the team, marketing push, seek major brand partnerships, continue to operate and push the Baller Bear brand relentlessly. All right. So the team, okay, a lot of the times they hide their identity. So they've got a developer, they've got a head marketing person, they got design, they got Lily and Claire. Okay, so this project seems like it's being done by real people. It seems like they're using real names. All right, now a Baller Bear will cost 0.08 Ethereum. Normally during pre-sale they will cost 0.9 Ethereum, and at public sale they will cost 0.1 Ethereum. And so I said that wrong. It's actually 0.08 Ethereum and 0.09 Ethereum, all right? So how much honey do they yield? For each baller stake, you can earn 10 honey tokens per day, okay? And where does honey get its value? Not only do you have the option to swap it for Ethereum in the pool, but you also will be able to spend it to mint from their future bear collection. So even if, even depending on how big this project can get, 10 honey tokens could be equivalent to $1,000, $1,500. And I'm not saying that's the case in this case, but it's very possible. So let's go over and look at their Twitter and their Discord, like I always like to do, to let me know. Okay, so here's something I want you to pay attention to. Don't let a follower count like this discourage you, because look at what's going on. They've got action, they've got activity, they've got motion. You see what I'm saying? Let's look at their Discord. All right, so you got to verify, so that lets you know there's not a bunch of bots. Okay, so there's about 447 people online. So this project is legit, man. Let me know what y'all think about this project in the comments. This project is something that I think is something that we should look out for. I'm definitely gonna keep y'all updated, keep y'all posted as far as this release. Man, love y'all. Let's get it.